let's be real for a second. You spend hours, right, polishing that resume, you hit apply, and then what? Crickets. Nothing. It just feels like your application gets completely swallowed up by some digital black hole. So what if you could actually escape that?
Well, this is how. Let's talk about the AI Agentic job flow system. And look, this is not just another job board, okay? Think of it like your own personal, 24/7 AI recruiter, an autonomous system that works for you to find that perfect match.
And here's where the magic really starts to happen. It all begins with what's called a success persona. The system has this learner agent that doesn't just skim for keywords. No, it actually reads your CV, it understands your experience, your skills, even your career goals to build this super detailed profile of you. This persona is the brain behind the whole operation.
So what does the system do with this incredibly smart persona? Well, it runs it through this totally autonomous pipeline of other AI agents. You can almost picture it like a custom assembly line, you know? But instead of building a product, it's building your next career move.
Let's break down that pipeline. First up, you've got the scraper agent. Its job is just to go out and grab a ton of raw job data from everywhere. Next in line is the validator. This one's the bouncer. It gets rid of all the spam, the old listings, anything that's just not relevant. And finally, the evaluator agent gets the clean list, and this is where the real intelligence kicks in. And when I say a ton of data, I mean it. The process starts by casting this huge net, pulling in something like 1,500 plus raw job listings. At this point, it's all about quantity. We're just dealing with a massive amount of noise. But then, bam, the validator agent does its thing. It just shreds through all that noise, the spam, the expired posts, all the junk. And that massive list gets cut down, way down, to about 75 actual legitimate opportunities. You can see the signal starting to pop through. And for the grand finale, the evaluator steps in. It takes those 75 jobs and analyzes every single one against your unique success persona. This is all about precision. It's not matching words, it's matching your career path. And what you get at the end is pure gold. The top 10 absolute best fit jobs. We've gone from total noise to a crystal clear signal.
So how does this scoring even work? I mean, it's pretty cool. The evaluator agent doesn't just spit out a match. It gives every single job a score from 0 to 100 based on how deeply it aligns with your persona. And this is the best part. It tells you why. You get a full justification. So you're not just getting a recommendation, you're getting like debuggable output for a life decision. Okay, but any developer watching this knows the weak link here, right? Web scrapers are, well, they're fragile. A website changes one tiny thing and your scraper breaks. So how does this whole system stay reliable? Well, that's where another brilliant little agent comes in, the self-corrector.
Get this. When the self-corrector spots an error, it actually reads the log files, figures out what's wrong, and then uses a large language model to write a Python patch to fix its own broken code. It's literally a self-healing system. How awesome is that?
So for all you tech folks out there, what's actually powering this thing? Under the hood, it's a super clean, modern stack. The back end is Python with fast API, so it's crazy fast. You've got a snappy React UI on the front. Playwright is doing all the heavy lifting for the browser scraping, and the brains of the operation, that's Google's Gemini Flash, with SQAlchemy handling all the data. It's just a really lean, mean, effective setup.
So when you put it all together, what do you really have? You have a system that's truly intelligent, it's completely autonomous, and thanks to that self-healing part, it's incredibly reliable. Honestly, this completely changes the job search game. It's time to stop just blindly searching and to start making truly intelligent matches. The best part? The entire repository is public, it's open source, it's on GitHub right now. Go check it out, dive into the code yourself.